All right, this is Sheriff Marky Vaughn.
Is Your Honor, and I think Mr. Vaughn was.
Yes, sir. Would like to set this off for a motion hearing date, please.
All right,
And I'm not for sure if this is the right process or not, but I also want to put on the record that I'm owed remedies from the last time I was incarcerated. And
you were what?
I'm owed remedies from the last time I was incarcerated.
Okay. What remedy do you think you're owed?
I've lost my job because of that.
Okay.
I lost my job. A lot of mental and emotional distress was incurred due to that incarceration, and I'm really believing that I'm owed remedy. If you can give me the proper procedure to file the motions and
I
everything.
can't give you procedures because I can't give you legal advice. Mr.
Right.
Spratt can talk with you about that, but I would dare say that it's not likely you're going to be able to recover anything because of an incarceration, but I'm not going to say that for sure because I don't know anything about your case. So what I need to know today is, number one, it's on the docket because Pfizer Bonding Company has filed a motion asking to be relieved from the bond in your case based on a failure to appear. Is that correct? And by statute, our bonding companies are entitled, once there has been a failure to appear, they have a right to ask for the right to be relieved from the bond. So because by statute it is an automatic right, I'm going to grant the request to be relieved from the bond. Then you wanted to set, and I found that order, we need to set a motion hearing date, is that correct?
That is correct.
Do we know what kind of motions either you or Mr. Spratt?
I have some already previously filed, from my previous incarceration that I spoke on earlier, the bill in particular mainly, and I got a few more that I'm going to add to that.
You're going to add those today?
No, not today, because I have nothing to work with. I'm needing a motion discovery, the bill of particulars. I got a motion to dismiss a couple things, even considering a habeas corpus on malicious and false imprisonment and unlawful arrest. So I'm needing to set.
All right. We have is the 23rd available now with the trials all being removed? Anyone have anything set on the 23rd of this month? Mr. Spratt, your elbow counsel, what's your status?
Next week, Your Honor.
That is next Thursday. Actually, Mr. Flanagan, were you, on the Anderson case, you were saying that you're ready to go on Friday, but you needed him here on Thursday. Well, we're about to determine whether there's going to be court or not.
And I think if I may.
And you can speak.
I think it may be prudent to, Mr. Vaughn is housed currently in Humphreys County Jail. As co-counsel, lead counsel in the case has had time to look at the discovery. I think it might be prudent if I were to bring him the discovery, potentially set a motion date in May, and then set the case, settle it at that time.
Correct.
I don't know the court's next term. I'm admittedly not used to the new schedule yet, but I'm assuming the court's next time here would be November.
Well, no, I'm here in May, and then I'm here again in September, I think.
September sounds good.
Okay. So that may be a potential.
So you want to set it in September? Or
Set it for trial in September and set it for a motion date in May. Or
All
wait
right.
until May and then set it in September.
I've given out some trial dates, the 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th.
We could set it that day. Of course, September is likely to have State v. Mowell, which will last that whole week. But all of my cases are set, of course, as backup to that.
What about the 19th?
I'll be here that day, Your Honor.
We're talking about a trial date.
For
Do we
May.
think we can try this case in one day?
That depends up to the prosecutor. I'm ready to go.
Well,
That's why I'm asking the prosecutor, so.
Yes, Judge, he has 4 different cases. I could have one ready and have that go in one day.
All right, Mr. Vaughn's case will be set for trial on the 19th of May.
I thought you said September.
I'm sorry, September, you're right. Thank you. September the 19th for trial.
then the motion day would that, I think actually would be May 19th. I think there's a court
I'm looking. That is a docket call day, so that's the day we'll put your motion on.
If I may inquire, because I received several motions, which case is the bill of particulars motion on? I've struggled to find it.
Let's let Mr., as elbow counsel or co-counsel, let's have Mr. Spratt and Mr. Vaughn notify you within the next 10 days what motions are going to be heard and what they attach to, a clarification as to what the motions pertain, which docket number they pertain to, so that you would be advised. The court will need that as well when we get to May. All right. We will see you again in May.
Thank you, Judge.
And the last one is Mr.